Listen, okay? Learn from the best, okay? Just learn from the best. Yes, now.
Joanne, welcome back.
Wipe that stupid smile off your stupid face. Stupid? No, not you. It's the stupid maid in the house. Do you want to break my door?
No, but... You see these clothes? You take your time and you wash them. And wash them clean. Are you listening to what I'm saying? Yes. Are you listening?
Yes.
Do you know what Prada is? Exactly. If I see any stain, you will die. And if I don't see anything to complain about, your useless mother will die. Now get out.
Joanne, I just came to tell you that your dinner is ready.
Are you deaf? There's something wrong with you. The rags you're wearing, they're starting to get to your head. I said get out!
But Joanne...
Give me my bag. If you want to steal it too, break the door next time.
This really tastes nice.
Thank you, sir. Mimi cooked it.
Wow.
Wow, is that so? Wow.
It's good.
Impressive.
Thank you. I can fix it myself.
My wife and I spoke about Mimi's school.
Yeah.
As this is a very important exam that can make or mar her future. So I've decided to step in.
Step in.
Sir.
Oh, yes. You see, I spoke to the management of my daughter's school. So they promised to fix her in a class so she can write the exam with her mates.
What? Daddy, you want her to come to my school?
Yes, darling, that's the only way.
No, that's not the only way. There's so many local schools that you can put her in. Why my own school?
Look, Benny's and Mimi are like family. Since I can afford it, why not?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, ma. You're welcome. Oh, stand up.
Where are you going?
I'm going to my room.
So what about your food?
I just lost my appetite.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Mimi, please just help me dish her food and take to her room, please. Yeah.
In fact, it's sumptuous.
Thank you. Joanne, I brought your dinner. I brought your food.
Can you just go to hell? No, actually, come back here. Mimi, if you ever come to my school, you better act like you don't know me. Because you're a nobody. The child of a nobody. And over my dead body will I mingle with an ugly lowlife like you. Did you hear me? Did you hear me?
Yes.
Now get out. Get out!